I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to cancel the auto renewal for your Peacock TV subscription, follow these steps to ensure you won't be charged again. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by visiting the Peacock TV website and logging into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen under your profile icon. Step 3. Manage subscription. In the account settings, look for a section labeled Manage Subscription or Billing. Click on this to view your current subscription details. Step 4. Turn off auto renewal. Find the option for auto renewal and toggle it off. Make sure to confirm any prompts that appear to finalize your decision. Step 5. Verify cancellation. After turning off auto renewal, check your email for a confirmation message from Peacock TV. This ensures that your subscription will not renew. Sometimes the confirmation email can end up in your spam folder, so be sure to check there if you don't see it right away. Thanks for following along. If you have any other questions about managing your subscriptions, feel free to ask.